Welcome. Let's make the viral TikTok spaghetti. I'm a little bit behind. I've been sick for the last 2 years, as some of you know. So better late than never. Let's get started with some garlic and some onions in a pan. And then we're going to put some ground beef in and get that chopped up. If you've not used one of these choppers before, you need to get one. It is the best thing ever. Get that meat cooked all the way. Once it is cooked, go ahead and drain out that oil if you have. And then we want to get our pasta cooking. And yes, I break mine in half. I know that's not proper, but that's the way I do it. Get that pasta cooked up. I use, if you've not used this too, for draining your oil. It is amazing. I will link it below. Add in some sauce. I use jar sauce. You can make homemade. Drain your spaghetti. I put mine back into the pot, and then I'm going to go ahead and add jar Alfredo sauce. And again, you can make that homemade. I'm just trying to make this nice, quick, and easy. And the only difference I would do is I would actually use a little bit more of the Alfredo. It kind of absorbed it into the spaghetti. It was still delicious, but you can see there I probably could have went a little bit heavier with the Alfredo sauce as well as the tomato sauce. I had a ton of meat. I probably should have added a little more tomato sauce, cover it with some shredded mozzarella cheese, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least 20 minutes until your cheese gets nice and melted and you have a little bit of browning there on the top. It looks and tastes delicious. And oops, I guess I had that out of order, but chemo brain, here we go. Serving it up now. Do you see the cheese pull on that? It was really delicious. It was a big hit. We all loved it. Give it a try and like and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.